Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Thursday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do, coming from beair.com. Like I said, I have the links down below. You guys can check them out. And this is the designed and engineered in California. Shout out to Cali. Here's all the good stuff. 120 voltage. Speeds, 3 speeds, RPMs, 1507. There you go. You can see the rest cord size is that right there. Pretty good size, 11 pounds, 13 pounds. Voltage, beair FIRTANA 20 times. I just can't believe summer's just about over. But this will be good for like painting projects and stuff like that. 360 kind of looks like the ones you see on the football games. There we go. I'm going to take it apart, open this box. You guys check them out, add it to your wish list, or purchase it today. Hopefully it's an easy setup. Doesn't take too much of our time. But like I said, if you guys have trouble, they got Amazon Home Services that will come out to your house and install it for you. Especially if you guys got older family members like grandparents and cousins and nephews and all that good stuff. And if they have a hard time setting up stuff like this, and I'll have the link on the second part. So this is what it looks like inside. Ooh, nice and black. I can't do it one-handed. Hold on one sec. Put you guys down. Oops. Ceiling shot. There we go. Let me pull this thing out. See how easy it is to set up. Come on out. Alright, so it doesn't look like it'll be an easy one to install. But like I said though, just in case you guys need assistance setting up stuff, they do have Amazon Home Service. Pretty cool what Amazon's doing though. Got a lot of good stuff. Oh, this is pretty easy setup though. This is definitely should be easy. Ooh, and check out these blades. Show you guys. Show what the back side looks like. Bam. Pretty sharp right there. Don't stick your fingers in that or your tongue. There's a motor. See, has that bracket right there, right by my foot. And then you just gotta loop it through that. And I'll be right back. I'm gonna put that down right here and show you guys what this thing looks like. Just gotta see how. Okay. Oh, it's a little like a push button type. Oh, that's cool. Oh yeah, this is easy. Pop it down. Okay, hold on, I'm gonna pause you guys. Alright, see right there? All you gotta do is just slide it down and see it pushes and line it up with the little latch. If you guys can see it right there, there's a little latch. All you gotta do is just slide it down like so. And then right there, that's where the it goes through the hole. So almost done here. We got enough. Oh geez, almost dropped it. Kind of hard doing it on my lap, but we'll get it done in about 2 seconds. Come on. All right, this one. There we go. Alright, she's locked in. We got this. I just gotta take the power cord. Gotta take the strings out. Plug her in. Shouldn't be a long video, but be alright. Gotta see where this goes. Alright, there's a cord. Got that in. One second. Just about got it. Alright, there we go. You got it standing like that. Check out the blades though. Now, pause you, walk it over. Alrighty, YouTubers, we got her plugged in. Now back here are the speeds. Oh, shoot. There we go. Right back here. Here's speed 1. Whoa. Dang. Oh yeah. Look at that. Alright, I can feel it for sure. It is cold. See that paper right there? Let's see if it moves it. Whoa. It's like a mini. Just it right there. Here's speed 2. Or maybe that was 3. Because, yeah, okay, that's 3, 2, 1. Even 1 got some kick to it. Oh, I could feel it. I could definitely feel a difference with this thing on. It is chilly. I think this was under 60 bucks. Oh yeah. Cool. So thank you guys for watching. You guys have a good night. Be safe. And definitely check these guys out and see what other goodies they got to offer you guys. So till then, see ya.